Results later on will be populated here after we run the model. Click OK. First line ready. Now to the second flow line, summary, we can call it line 2. Okay, line 2, correlation petroleum exports 5. Go to input, go to environment or description, or environment first. Okay, surrounding temperature 32, overall heat transfer coefficient 3, 0.5351. Okay, water heat capacity 1. All right, go to description. Now the line pipe also with length of 1.1096. Okay, and then the depth, the elevation of our flow line still on the surface. Okay, at 0 depth, the same inside diameter 4 inches, roughness the same. Okay, everything the same. Tubing flow, gravity coefficient 1, friction coefficient 1 also. Petroleum export 5. Lift the constraint, lift the schedule, validate, data is okay. Click OK, click OK. Line 2 done. And then at the same, we do the same thing. Line 3. Line 3. Petroleum export 5. Input, environment, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 3. Okay. And then the description, the main thing actually. Again, line pipe. By the way, we can have choke, coated, flexible, or fitting. In this case, we install line pipe with length of 0.5 kilometers, 0.04 inches. Okay. Use as usual, no constraint, no schedule. Okay. Let's make it quick. This should be line 4. Okay. Line 4. Petroleum export 5. Input, environment, 32. It's 3. Description, line pipe, 0.5, 0.04 inches. Okay, click OK. Now this line. Okay, we call it summary. Pipe, petroleum export 5. Okay, input, environment, 32. This one is 3, overall heat transfer coefficient. Description, it's a line pipe, 0.3 kilometers, 0 inside diameter. This one is bigger inside diameter. Yeah, that's why, yeah, because we connect the flow lines from several wells. Okay, so this pipe, this flow line will contain gas with higher rate, bigger volume. So that's why usually we use bigger size of pipe. Okay, we keep the roughness, everything okay, no constraint, no schedule, click OK. Lastly, for the pipeline between manifold B and separator join. Okay, pipe 2, pipe 2, petroleum experts, input, environment, 32, 3. Okay, this one, 0,4, not too long, actually. 12 inches. Okay, click OK. All right, so far, so good. So now we can also set the separator. Open the separator.